Happy New Year, everyone. 2024 is underway and investment markets are mixed to start the year. Through January 9th, the widely followed S&P 500 equity index was nearly unchanged, down about 0.3%. After 2023 ended better than many of us had expected, largely due to impressive late year rally in equities and bonds, 2024 begins with much stronger investor sentiment. What a difference a year makes. A year ago, in early 2023, expectations were low as markets feared that inflation and rising interest rates from the Federal Reserve Bank, or Fed, could push the economy into a recession. Those fears were not realized, however, helping to drive those market gains. But now, in early 2024, inflation continues to improve, recession fears are low, and corporate earnings are expected to grow. So for now, we think that a lot of the good news is priced into equity markets, and this can limit the potential for upside surprises. But we are comfortable with full allocations to diversified equity portfolios in this environment. In early January, we published our 2024 economic and market outlook, which you can obtain upon request, but I'll briefly discuss the key points of our equity market outlook. We believe the S&P 500 is fairly valued at current levels, meaning that full-year returns could be modest. But broader participation can lead to gains for the average stock, as 2023 gains were highly concentrated among several of the largest market-weighted companies, driving elevated valuations, while under-the-surface valuations are closer to historical averages. Upside from equities could develop from an economic soft landing or no recession scenario that includes 2024 and extends into 2025, while downside would likely be caused by renewed recession fears. And it's an election year. While the 2024 federal election cycle is shaping up unlike any we have seen before, the fourth year of a presidential term and election year typically is good for equity returns as politicians push pro-growth policies. We'll have more to say on all of these topics as the year progresses, so stay tuned. For specific recommendations and strategies, please contact your D.A. Davidson financial professional.